Hello. This is my lab exercise. So I'm going to start discussing the epithelial tissue. So the epithelial tissue, also referred to as the epithelium, is the sheets of cells that cover exterior surfaces of the body, lines internal cavities and passageways, and forms certain glands. The epithelial tissue lines the GI tract, organs, and other hollow organs that are found on the skin surface. The epithelial tissue provides the body's first line of protection from physical, chemical, and biological wear and tear. All substances that enter the body must cross an epithelium. And when in dermatology, I know we talk with people with different skin concerns, and we let them know that there's medication, the topical medication, and it starts at the epithelial level. Next, we have connective tissue. Connective tissue binds the cells and organs of the body together, and it functions in the protection, support, and integration of all parts of the body. It's found in fat and other soft padding tissue, bones, and also tendons. Now, while we say that the connective tissue supports other tissues, it also supports the layers that surround the muscle cells, tendons that attach muscles to bones, and to the skeleton that supports the position of the body. It protects in the form of fibrous capsules and bones that protect delicate organs and the skeletal system. Specialized cells in connective tissue defend the body from microorganisms that enter into the body. Transportation of fluid, nutrients, waste, and chemical messengers is also ensured by special fluid connective tissue, such as blood and the lymph. Adipose cells store surplus of energy in the form of fat and contribute to the thermal insulation of the body. Muscle tissue. There are 3 types of muscle tissue. First, we have the skeletal muscle, which gives us movement, facial expressions, helps with posture, and other voluntary movements of the body. 40% of body mass is made up of skeletal muscle. It generates heat as a byproduct of contraction and also participates in thermal homeostasis. Muscle tissue is also made up of the cardiac muscle that forms to contract to the walls of the heart. It helps support our heart and keep it protected. There's also the smooth muscle tissue. Well, in smooth muscle tissue contraction, that's responsible for all of our involuntary movements of our internal organs. It forms contractile components of our digestive system, our urinary system, our reproductive system, as well as helps with our airways and arteries. Lastly, we have nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is excitable and capable of sending and receiving electrochemical signals that provide the body with information. Nervous tissue is made up of neurons and neuralgia. They're specialized to transport and to receive impulses. The nervous tissue is found in the brain, in our spinal cord, and in our nerves. So it also communicates between different regions of our body.